VGS is a free suite of software that is designed for recording, managing, and reporting quantitative and qualitative ecosystem data. It is being developed by the University of Arizona in partnership with several land and natural resource management agencies. It has evolved from a grassroots Windows application designed to eliminate the use of paper datasheets to a multi-platform program that manages your entire dataset.
The VGS suite consists of three major components. VGS Windows and VGS mobile applications are designed to ease data collection in the field and allow for on-the-fly management and reporting. A local or cloud-based server houses all of the data, photos, documents, and geospatial information, and VGS Online lets users view, edit, query, and report on the data from folders or maps via the web browser portal.
A unique feature within the VGS suite of applications is that all devices are set up to provide two-way syncing between devices and the central data repository. Data from previous sampling events can be taken to the field for use in comparing results with current data, for immediate reporting of results to constituents while in the field, and for checking things like species identification, sampling layout notes, and so forth. This allows field devices to be more than just data entry tools, as they can assist with evaluations and communication while in the field. Let's take a closer look at each of the VGS components, starting with the field applications.
VGS Windows and VGS Mobile provide an efficient user interface for field data collection. A customizable framework of quantitative and qualitative protocols promote standardized data capture. Once created, the protocols can be used and shared among devices, ensuring everyone is collecting the same data. VGS 5 is organized with a hierarchical structure similar to Windows Explorer. In this example, a region within the Forest Service contains forests, districts, allotments, pastures, and monitoring locations. This hierarchical structure is emulated with folders in VGS, and monitoring locations are stored as sites at the bottom of the folder hierarchy.
These sites are made up of general location information, descriptive surveys, photos, documents, and an event log that organizes data collection events by date and type. Data collection events are added as multiple points in time in the event log. Site portfolios are used to store photo and document collections. They allow users to display repeat photography side by side for photo monitoring. Available sampling types include cover, density, frequency, residue, structure, weight, and utilization, all of which reference the NRCS plants database and user-defined lists to make data input consistent and accurate. The recent addition of qualitative survey protocols to VGS allows for user-configurable options designed to replicate any existing paper data form. Sampling protocols are designed to collect quantitative data one sample at a time while in the field view. Sampling protocols can handle multiple methods at once if they share the same sampling interval, and can even handle multiple forms if the data methods in use differ in interval. Each event may have multiple input options depending on the protocol. These range from predefined ground cover categories to species from the NRCS plants database.
Selection of species from the NRCS plants database greatly reduces opportunities for errors and increases consistency. VGS supports the use of plant photo collections, including your own photos if desired. Survey protocols are in a question and answer format and can have multiple pages. Users can easily create a survey protocol and may choose from a myriad of question options, including true or false, single or multiple selections from a list, text, limited numbers and ranges, dates, images, and GPS coordinates. Each question can be equipped with a tip to provide details for guidance, a comment for further reference or justification, and an option to run a report on other protocols that were used within the site. The field applications include reports for individual methods, forms, comparisons, planning, and quality control.
The second main component of VGS is the data repository, which allows users or organizations with multiple employees and data collection devices to consolidate and synchronize their data across their organizations. It provides additional data management, reporting, and analysis tools, and includes administration of user access and rights. For individual users, a local data repository is optional.
The third and most powerful component of VGS is the map-enhanced web portal to the data repository. It includes both map-based searching and filtering as well as query-based filtering of data results. Through the web portal, users can manage the organization of sites in the data repository, as well as user access, available protocols and lists, GPS locations and shapefiles, and photos.
Selection of sites based on map features or user-drawn polygons is available, with summary and reporting options based on results. A comprehensive set of tools are provided for filtering on the basis of any combination of site characteristics.
Thank you for watching our video. If you would like more information on VGS, please contact the VGS development team at vgs.arizona.edu.